Hey all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all are doing great. Yes, guys, I know that I have not uploaded any video since a week. I'm trying to manage my busy schedule as well. So, I promise you all that I will be uploading at least two videos and two cooking videos and one DIY videos in my coming week. So, please do not mind that, guys. So quickly I'll tell you what I'm gonna prepare today. So I'm gonna prepare corn cheesy snacks. I know weekend is coming and we want to munch some good yummy snacks. So yes, this is gonna be very simple. I will show you all how to prepare this. So before getting into the video, please do subscribe my channel, and also this is my Instagram ID. You can do follow me there, and let's quickly get into the video. So first of all, you can take a mixing bowl. So here I have a sweet corn. So I have placed them in hot water for 2 minutes. I cooked them and I have grinded them without using water. So make sure you don't use water and you grind them in a coarse texture. And for the binding, I'm using 4 spoons of basin flour, 4 spoons of rice flour, and 3 spoons of corn flour. Basically, we need to have a good binding. If not, when you start frying them in oil, it will start soaking more oil. So that's why I'm having a good binding with flour. So now I'm using 2 spoons of garam masala. This is a homemade garam masala. You can check my previous video I have uploaded, and also I'll give the link in the description box. Now I'm adding 3 spoons of chili powder. Since we are adding more flour for the binding, I suggest it should be little spicy, or else you will feel very low when you're having. And I'm adding pepper powder. Now I'm adding salt as required. I'm adding 1 chili finely chopped. Basically, this snack will have some good garlic flavor, so I am adding finely chopped garlics and finely chopped onion. So make sure you don't add more onion because it will lead to some kind of vada texture. And finally, I am adding coriander as required. So if you don't like the flavor of garlic, it's completely optional. You can add ginger in place of that. And I'm using my hand and I'm gonna gently mix without using water. So it will finally look like this. And meanwhile, I have cut the cheese slices into small box shapes so that I can place them in between the snack. So take a small amount of mixture and just press it like this as shown here. Now I'm keeping the cheese in mid of that, and pressing the sides and closing it and making a kind of ball shape. So once after that it looks like this, so let's quickly fry them. So I have kadai and oil, so make sure the oil is not fried, make sure the oil is not heated much. So I'm placing these snacks into the oil and I'm gonna fry it until it turns golden brown color both the sides. So if you keep the flame very high so inside the snacks it will not be cooked. And now it is turned into golden brown color. It's time to serve hot. So serve with some mayonnaise or even tomato ketchup. So here I'm showing you with the tomato ketchup. So I have kept a small amount of cheese inside, so if you want you can keep a big cube sized cheese as well. So come on guys, let's start munching. It's time for the weekend. So hope all would find this video very useful. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in all my next video. Bye bye, take care.